Yo, what is up, guys? Heyo, how you doing today?
Really, nigga?
Today's video, we have the Molly, but you cannot use no weapons except for shotgun. So I guess we're using the shotgun challenge, I guess. So we're only using the shotgun. And health kits are allowed as well, and yep. Oh, okay. Anyways, let me just wait. First, this challenge was by put it on the screen. It was by Can You Guess 918, but his name is actually Mr. Abdallah. He was like, please, open up your own subscriber, Mr. Abdallah. So that's Mr. Abdallah, but he said my challenge: use Molly, and you can use no weapons except shotgun. You can use only shotgun. By the way, health kits are allowed, and all healing items, no other items. So let's do that real quick. So where is Molly at? I never used her in my life. I got one. Okay, so damn. So all healing items. All right. This is healing. And what else is healing? Bro, there's no other healing, bro. What the? Okay, I guess we could do freaking guard's badge, bro. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Okay, now, yep. Okay, now we're ready. All right, all right, let's go. Ooh, the zoo. I love this map. I don't love it more than the old map though. Nothing can top that. I swear. I swore. Alright. This guy is talking all that smack. Where's the shotgun? Oh, wait.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, okay. It's just the okay. Bro, are you everything is oh my god, everything is besides the shotgun, bro. Oh, there we go. Of course we get the black one.
Really, nigga?
God, bro. Hello. No, Joe, I swear to God, don't freaking give me a bomb. Peace, bro. Okay, I don't need to use. Wait, wait, I can use a guard. What the? Why is my game big again, bro? Am I tripping? What the fuck was that? That was the biggest spike I've ever seen in my life, bro. Oh. Nah, buddy. Come here, buddy, girl. You look kinda cute. Hey, that bikini girl. Are you serious? Are you serious? I killed that person. You're gonna take it?
Sit down.
Bitch. That's why no one likes you. Alright, let me heal anyways. I know I have a spear, bro, but I'm not using it, so it doesn't count. Yo! What is your problem? That should've hit me, bro. That should've hit me. Okay. Joey, I swear to God. Okay, thank you. This kid is always on my ass. Oh my God. Okay, anyways. Don't worry about that kid over there. I need to find a med kit. And no one's nice enough to just drop a med kit and be like, yo, what's up? No one's doing that for me, so I gotta fight the lions. I gotta tell it how my grandparents used to tell me how they get to school. They had to fight lions. They had to go through a whole jungle. No! Are you serious?
Oh shit!
Alright, bro, calm down. It's just a game, buddy.
Nope. Be unpredictable. Alright. Oh my God. Joey, bro. I'm glad you're trying to help me, but not right now. Alright, buddy. Alright, he's so excited. bro. He's on that steroid stuff. That stuff right there. He had too much sugar. Oh no, I put it. Wait, where is my jump? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have a adrenaline shot. Wait, doesn't an adrenaline shot have My bad, guys. I was playing kind of ass. That was on me though. All right, let's kill this guard because I don't give a fuck.
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantic.
What you think you're doing, boy? Damn, boy! Oh, this Zion at Zach. I could have pronounced that. Yes, sir! Shot her from the back. Gave her that back shot. That's how we do it, boys. Alright. Wait. Yo, bro, give me that barrier. I know damn well you had that barrier. But, oh my god, bro. I don't want that. You don't listen to me. Whatever. This kid just wanders off. I can't give a fuck. I go fuck. Don't. You never listen to me, huh? I wonder if they do like a no passer challenge. That's literally impossible, bro. What the fuck? Excuse me. This is just so boring. You're boring. I don't know why just a shotgun, bro. Ugh. I mean, the shotgun is like okay. Actually, nah. It's actually kind of boring. I can't believe I freaking threw that bomb, bro. That's probably why it messed me up. Because I shot that bomb. Bro. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What are you doing, bro? Dumbass. Yup. He's not gonna see this coming. Joey, you see him? There he is. Dumbass. Oh, I missed that. No. Bro, you missed. Your ass too. Your ass. What are you doing? Are you serious? Okay, stay back. Heal. Oh shit! He's gonna get this. Yup. Yup. He's coming at me. He's coming for me. What the fuck do I do? This fucker's. That's like a freaking Jaws, bro. Jaws movie. That's probably getting a good position. I'm scared. No. Don't do it to me. Don't do it.
Hello, motherfucker.
Thanks, Joey. Oh, you're freaking exposing my spot. I think he's... Oh! Oh my god. Oh. I feel like he's gonna super charge. Are you serious, bro? my god, it was so close. Fuck you.